car's bumper is never devoid of scratches. You get them for free. So you need to get Car Corner Bumper Guard to protect your bumper from scrapes and scratches. They don't cost much and are easy to install. Step 1. Buy Car Corner Bumper Protector Guard. They come in different colors and style. Pick yours. Step 2. Clean and dry the bumper surface. Make sure it's clean and well dried. Step 3. Peel off the backing. Step 4. Place the guard on the bumper. Do it gently and once in position, press little firmly for it to stick well and firmly. It's done! Here's a quick recap. Order the best of car accessories from shop.cardekho.com. And for everything else related to cars, visit CarDekho.com.